Hello guys, I'm teaching you guys how to make a muzzle flash like with a gun. So first off, if you don't have paint.net, go ahead and install paint.net. It looks like this. And then what you need to do is go to Windows Live Movie Maker, get a clip as you're holding an item like this. You have to like pretend to shoot. So yeah, let's remove that. And then you have to do that, and before you shoot, you have to go next frame for until you see your weapon you're using start to move. So go about 2 frames in after it's moving. Then you'll want to edit, then split like that. And you'll just bring this over there. And then you go to paint.net. No. You go to Google Images and you go to Muzzle Flash. Then the first one, it looks like this. You oh no, what am I doing? Oh yeah, no, you need to snapshot. Yeah, go back to Windows Live Movie Maker and let's see where we are. Sorry. So we'll go about there. Then we'll go home, snapshot. I'll just call it Muzzle Flash 4. And then so you'll go there, and then you go to paint.net, then you go to File, Open, then just scroll through to where it is, right there. Oh, why? Muzzle Flash 4. You open that up. Then you go to Google Images, copy that image. Then you go to paint.net again. No. Undo. Then you go to File. Oh, I forgot. Oh, no. Forgot what I did. No, we'll get off Magic Wand. What the hell? Edit. Oh, paste into new layer. So edit, paste into new layer like that. And there's these 2 options right here. Expand canvas. Then you have keep canvas size. So you'll click the keep canvas size like that. You'll come up with like a black screen or something, but that's just your image. You have to resize it, as you can see. So just drag it down, make it smaller. And as you guys can see, I did mine backwards accidentally. It still works though. So you'll have to line it up, size it a bit smaller. So I'm guessing about right there. And you'll go there. There's the tools. Go to Magic Wand in Tools. And you'll right click there and edit, then erase selection. Now as you guys can see, I have a bit of a space there, but it's all good. Now you'll save this as Muzzle Flash 4, save. Oh, I screwed up. Save as, then since mine is screwed up, I am putting it to JPEG. Then you're okay, then it will ask you to flatten image, and then you'll have to go back to Movie Maker, then erase your snapshot, then go to Add Videos and Photos, and then Pictures, and it should be down here, Muzzle Flash. Oh no, that's terrible. Where'd you go? Oh, right here, like that. Then you'll double click duration 0.04, drag that into the middle, and you'll play like that. Now we'll add music, Desert Eagle sound effect. Now we'll have to edit start point to 2 seconds. Like that. And that's how you guys make a muzzle flash with Windows Live Movie Maker. Okay, bye.